Hey, and welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, December the 10th. I know it's been a while. I'm finally back to y'all. I was dealing with quite a bit of classes and stuff, but I can say I finished my finals, so I am done for the semester, and I'm able to come back to putting out these videos weekly. So I want to thank y'all for your patience for this one. Once again, I'm sorry it took so long, but now that we're back, let's get right into this video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for coming back and checking out our channel. Once again, as I said in the beginning, I apologize for this delayed video. I was just dealing with all my classes. I had finals and everything, but I have finished. So like I said, I will be back to keeping up with putting these videos up every Thursday. So with that being said, everything you saw in this video that I can find will be linked in the description below, so you can go click on those links and check out our website. Hit the like button if you like this video, and the subscribe button if you're new here with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.